You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this county or county in Oregon. If you want to learn more confusing names of famous places around Oregon and the US, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll definitely want to watch and listen to. Multnomah is the local pronunciation. Multnomah. You want to stress on that no second syllable, no syllable. How to pronounce Multnomah. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.